Hello from Gardening at Douentza here in Ireland, and this is a very quick video to show you a beautiful hanging plant that I have in flower. So let's just go in here and have a better look at it. Past the nepenthes, and look at these amazing orange flowers. So I'll just move down here where it's easier to access those flowers. And there they are, and they emerge from these hanging parts of the plant. It's called Columnea microphylla, and as the flowers start out, you can see what they look like here. Look, see that there? That's one of the flowers in its infant stage, and there's another one. And then they break out into these glorious orange, I don't know, flowers. I think a common name for this plant is flying goldfish or goldfish plant. I don't really see it myself, but the colour is right anyway. So I just moved around to the other side because I think I can see the plant better over here. I just think it's glorious, and this one has so many more flowers to come. I'm not sure how long they'll last, so I thought I'd make a video quickly. But I do see lots of other, flowers coming on these stems. I've had the plant about 2 years now. It was given to me as a cutting, and it's been no nonsense. Just kind of thrived on neglect and underwatering, which is always a good recipe for survival in my house. And and now I have these gorgeous orange flowers. And a friend of mine also gave me a second cutting from this genus. So let's see. There we go. So this is Columnea banksii, I think. Put the name on the screen. And that's doing really well. Also produces orange flowers. I'm not sure if they could be as glorious as this one, but I think it's just a lovely plant. It's got such an elegant habit, the way it droops down like that, and of course the colour is amazing. Really, really pretty. And I think I probably mentioned before, quite an elegant plant. There we go, that's all for now. Hope you liked this short video, and check back for more stuff. Bye!